Hey, it's Nikki D here, back with another video. All right, you're looking for money. Gas prices are going high. Maybe you're not getting paid enough at your job. You have some unexpected bills. Your kids hit you up, knocked you over the head, took them your money. Now you got to replenish all of that, right? Now you need more money. But you can't figure out how to do it. You don't want to get a second job because you're like, man, that's just taking up more of my time for somebody else. Solutions is what I'm about. Okay, it is what I'm about. Solutions. And so I have a solution to this. Do you have 50 bucks? 150? I know some of y'all got them taxes. 300. Not monthly. One time. All right? One time. 50 bucks. You know what you can spend 50 bucks on easily? There's a lot of stuff that you easily spend 50 bucks on. And you'll be like, where did it go? Why not take 50 bucks, $50, 50, whatever you want to call it, and get you a business? Yes, there's a business that's $50 one time. And you get paid $50 over and over and over again when somebody signs up for the opportunity. Sounds nice, right? I'm part of an opportunity, one-time payment, no monthly payments. At the lowest level is $50 to get started, and it's like a business in a box. It's going to teach you from beginning to end how to operate any business, let alone this business for the most part, but any business that you have or thinking about joining, it's going to teach you how to market, how to gain organic traffic, how to build up your business, how to get sales, how to close sales, how to promote your businesses on Instagram and TikTok and all that good stuff, right? Successfully, all right? There's a lot of people who are already in business that could use these tools, okay? And you've got the upper hand because you've got these tools to give them. And nobody has to pay a monthly fee, so it's yours forever, all right? How about that? $50 to get started. They give you the post to use to post on your Facebook page, on your Instagram page. All right? How would you like to have step-by-step instructions? How would you like to be able to already have posts made for you that you can post and gain traction? To gain buyers, right? It has everything you need. They tell you what to do, what to post, where to post it, how to post it, and how to get all the traffic and how to get paid, most importantly. All right. So pretty much a no-brainer. Like I said, 50 bucks at the lowest level one time. And then, yes, I will admit there's another fee, okay? But it's a one-time fee as well. Per upgrade, I should say. It's $25, and $25 will get you your website. They will build your website for you with your beautiful face on the website, branding you, not the company, but branding you, all right? And that's it. The only other time you would have to pay anything is if you decided to upgrade, which, you have the $150 level and the $300 level, one-time payments to upgrade to any of those levels. And then you pay I believe it's an extra $15 to update your payment buttons on there. All right. Because as you get higher up, you want to have payment buttons for all different levels. So you'll pay $15 for them to update your website. That's it. And it's yours. And you can get paid to your choice of, wherever you want to get paid. You want to get paid to your bank account, you can get paid to your bank account. You want to get paid to PayPal, you'll get paid to PayPal. If you want to get paid through Cash App, you can get paid through Cash App. You choose the way to get paid, and it's instant, and nobody touches your money but you. All right, so you have no middleman, you have no company divvying out your money saying, hold up, I'm going to pay you next week. I'm going to pay you in a week after I take my cut. None of that. All of it goes to you. So if somebody says, I want to make money from home, I want to learn how to do business online and start making money, you can tell them, listen, you need to check this out. And when they say, wow, this is cool, I can make 50 bucks a person, I can make $300 a person, yeah, sign me up. So when they sign up at the $300 level, you get $300. You get $300. The only thing you don't get is the admin fee, which is the $25. Sounds like a deal to me. If you have been looking for a way to make some extra money from home, but you have no idea how to do business online, and you're like, how am I going to learn how to make money online? How am I going to get people to me? I don't know the first thing about even doing network marketing, affiliate marketing, or any of that stuff. I got you. Because inside of that back office, it's going to show you everything from A to Z. Just follow the blueprint. Follow the blueprint. Just post the ads they have. If you know how to follow directions and if you are coachable, this is for you. And it's going to teach you about how to help build up your mindset, to build up that confidence, to build up that oomph to do it. All right. Even teaching you how to be coachable if maybe, you need a little bit of know-how, we got you. You cannot beat that. And we have a Facebook coaching group where they even do trainings in there done by the owner. Yes. And we have a Facebook proof group. People don't believe you? Hey, hop in the proof group and see for yourself how people are making $300 per day, $50 per day, $150 per day, $4,500 a week. Right? So where there's a will, there's a way. That's why when people say tell me I'm broke, they be like, I'm broke. No, you're not. You broke? No, you're not. There's always a way to make money. There's always a way to make money. And if you don't feel like you're creative enough to find a way to make a product and all this other stuff, there's stuff out here for you that you can just be an affiliate marketer and promote it. And there's people who want it like this, It's definitely a no-brainer. It's definitely some good money in it. Like I said, instant money. So definitely. How many people know somebody who has a business? They need this. Exactly. So what I want you to do, definitely like and subscribe here, okay? Because I'm like giving some nuggets here, all right? Like and subscribe to my channel so you can stay up to date on all the latest information, all the latest ways to make money, all the latest ways to help to move your mental self into a more positive aspect so you can get the most out of life, and helping you spiritually to stay aligned within yourself and within all that is in you, all right? And above you, right? So that's where it's at. So listen, if you're wanting more information, all I want you to do, click the link below this video, check it out, and definitely click the other link that's below that link, which will get you over to me. All right. And for those, I decided to extend it because I did it over the weekend. But if you sign up until the end of March 2022, I will give you $25 back after you've paid. After you've paid, I'll send you $25 back. It would be via Cash App, but I will send you $25 back for trusting in this program. All right. And it's only available to those who come through YouTube. So what I want you to do is, if you decide to sign up and you do sign up, reach out to me on Facebook and say, hey, I signed up with you through YouTube. All right. Give me your name. I can find you. Right. I can find you. And actually you can send me proof. You can send me the payment proof. And then I can get you plugged into the coaching group and give you access to the training for you to start making some money online, all right? Because we all in this together. It's about sharing. Sharing is caring, and I'm here to share with you. Like, nobody should be without money. There's so many ways to get the bag, all right? And help each other. in the midst of it. And that's what this is all about. So click the link below this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Share with somebody else who might be looking for some extra funds. All right, ready to maybe just want to start their own business. And I'll see you on the other side. All right. This is Nikki D here. I believe in manifesting your wealth 24/7. That is mentally, physically, and spiritually. And with that being said, I'm out. Later.